Nvidia CEO envisions AI infrastructure industry worth trillions of dollars. Did you catch what the CEO of Nvidia said about AI becoming infrastructure?
Yes. He mentioned that AI is like electricity and the internet, needing factories to thrive.
Exactly. He referred to these as AI factories, not just data centers, which is fascinating.
Right. He explained that these AI factories apply energy to produce valuable tokens. That's a game changer.
And the more developers create libraries, the better applications we get. It's a cycle of innovation.
I read that he talked about agentic AI, which can understand and act on its own. That's incredible.
Yes. And he touched on the need for more computing power to support these advancements.
He mentioned new innovations like Grace Blackwell NVL72 systems that are driving this demand.
And Taiwan is playing a crucial role in this tech ecosystem. Nvidia is partnering with Foxconn to build an AI factory supercomputer.
That's significant. Huang emphasized that having world-class AI infrastructure in Taiwan is vital.
He also introduced NVLink Fusion, which helps hyperscalers create custom compute solutions. That's a big leap forward.
Absolutely. And the collaboration with DeepMind and Disney for training robots in simulated environments is groundbreaking.
And don't forget about the $5 trillion worth of factories being built globally. Optimizing them with AI is crucial.
Yes. Major manufacturers in Taiwan are using Nvidia Omniverse to create digital twins for better efficiency.